This is a tutorial for how to tie your Luna long multi-wrap leather laces in the traditional manner. First I slip my foot into the sandal, and then I go to the outside edge and I pull as much slack as I want to through that slot and pull it snug around the heel. Then I go to the instep and I pull as much slack as I want there. And I take that long tail and I make sure everything is as snug as I want. I like it pretty snug for jogging and hiking because it tends to loosen up because it is leather. And I tend to go around the ankle with this wrap 3 or 4 times. With these, it's about 4. And you can flex your ankle if you want to, if you're sitting outside to do this. Sometimes that can help, you figure out what's comfortable. And then you take this strap from the top and wrap that end under that toe strap. And if you look here, you want to make sure that this is kind of down against the ankle and the top of the foot. So, because if it's too far up here when you tighten this, it'll loosen up later. So you want that nice and snug. And then you take this end and you go over the top and you just pull it through. And with this finger, I was holding this taut, so it's not loosening up. And I pull it snug. I always add a second knot. This is key. So I go behind, rather over the top and from behind, like so. And then, again, this comes over the top of that main strap, and I pull it snug. Now, because I'm doing this on a video, I can't necessarily get all the leverage that I want, but this gives you a pretty good idea of how that's done. I do have it very snug, but these are well broken in. This is a Leadville trail. I will also do the other sandal just so you can look again. So I slide my foot in and I get the tail out of the way. Again, I'm going to take that slack from the outside edge, pull it around behind the heel. And then again from the inside, the instep side strap and slot, I pull that slack out and use the tail to pull it tight. And I wrap it around 3 to 4 times, in this case 4. And you're gonna take that tail over the top, pull it through. Now you take this opportunity to make sure everything is snug here. Everything is taut how you want it. And you come again over the top, and this is going to go through. Now normally I'm holding this taut here, I don't want to block the camera though. So go over the top and you pull that through, preferably while holding things taut. You have extra fingers you can do that with. Now that's nice and tight. And again, I always want a second knot. So I'm going to come around here, pull that tail through, go over the top of that strap and pull it tight. You see there? just like that. So now they're ready to go. Everything is snug all the way around. And it will loosen up very minimally. I hope this has been helpful. Thank you for watching.